As expected, tree work isn't my favorite thing, so we got to get back to renovating. Here in the master bathroom, we only have one light fixture, and we're going to change that. Because as we know, we can never have too much light. So we're going to take this old one off and throw it in the wastebasket.
So there's already dual vanity plumbing set up, but the boss says we need dual lights. Just because I don't have a Sparky license doesn't mean I can't remove a couple wire nuts. But I am, in fact, going to just throw everything on the floor, though.
This is a new box for a light fixture. Old work. It's got this, it clips, and then it'll sit behind and it'll clamp onto that drywall. And I decided I want to raise it, so I'll put it up here. I'll mark exactly where I want with a pencil, and then we'll drill it out.
For me, I like to do as much as possible before the Sparky gets there. And this actually isn't a dig. This actually goes for all trades. If I have to have a specific person come in, I'm going to do as much as I can to keep that bill as low as possible. And I think those trades actually appreciate it. They don't have time to be doing this piddly stuff. And because I always have an electrician in my back pocket, he got it wired up for me right away. Now we got to quickly wrap up this last weekend's project. My wife was pretty unhappy. I was on a ladder halfway up a tree. So we brought in Ben. He took down the tree and ground the stumps for us. Thank you very much, brother. I owe you.